Hello. Welcome to my channel, Atanaso Studio. Today we are going to look at the various box styles in packaging, specifically corrugated packaging. The first type we are looking at is the regular slotted, and with this, the outer flaps meet exactly at the center, and the flaps are all of the same length. The next type, which we are going to look at, is the half slotted. Half slotted means we've taken one part of the regular slotted off. So the lengths are all of the same, but we've taken the top part of the flaps off. The next is the overlap slotted container, and with this, they are all of the same height, but the outer overlaps by 1 inch, as being displayed here. The next is the full overlap slotted container 4, and with this, the flaps overlaps, which gives extra thickness and strength to the base and the top. And as I do, when you are stacking more boxes on each other. We have the center slotted container, and with this, the overlaps, the two outers are longer than these, the others, and they all meet at the center for both the top and the down. We have the auto lock bottom, which the base snaps to lock, whilst the top behaves like your regular slotted boxes. The next one is the telescopic. With this, you do a separate top and a separate bottom, then you fit it together. This is called telescopic boxes. The next ones are the folders, which has a 5 panel and a single cut, scored, and you fold complete. With a wrap around, which is similar to the RSC, just that the flaps meet at the edges of the box, as being displayed